Hi, this is Oscar from Clever Journey, and today we'll check out the Shacke Pak 5-piece packing cube set. In this video, I'll essentially just give a basic overview of all the features, what's included, and check out how well everything is made. If you do decide to get them, check out our full review on Clever Journey, where I go much more in depth and link out to vendors with the best prices. But for now, let's get right into the review. The Shacke Pak 5-piece packing cube set is probably the most popular packing cube set out there. On Amazon, they've got over 9,000 reviews, which is kind of insane if you really think about it. They definitely aren't the best packing cubes out there, but in my opinion, they're almost as good as some of the more expensive alternatives. I mean, there's not really that much to improve anyway. This 5-piece set comes with a large laundry bag where you can put all of your dirty clothes, one extra large cube, one large cube, one medium cube, and a small packing cube. So in total, 5 pieces if you count the laundry bag. I'll test out how much fits inside later in this video, but for now, let's check out the materials and how well everything is made. Now, obviously, they're made out of polyester, as it's the most common fabric in cheaper travel gear. Not only in packing cubes, but in backpacks and suitcases as well. Of course, a better choice would have been nylon, but I don't really know if you need that in packing cubes. Compared to other packing organizers that I own, the fabric feels kind of stiff and rigid. Definitely not as flexible as you'd see on other packing cubes. On all 4 pieces, there's a fabric mesh panel on the top, which is great because then you can easily see what's inside without opening the cube. I chose the aqua teal color, but they're also available in many other options such as green, blue, purple, and red. If you're getting more than one set, I'd recommend you to get them in different colors so that you can easily distinguish between them. The stitching on the sides and corners looks pretty good. However, I've used them only a few times, so I don't really know how well they'd perform after a year or two. But based on an overall inspection, I don't think that the stitching should start coming loose anytime soon. Based on the label inside, the Shacke Pak packing cubes aren't machine washable, and you should hand wash them in cold water. In my opinion, the extra large packing cube is slightly too large to be used for regular trips. For instance, for a 2-week vacation, the 3 smaller cubes are more than enough for me. In my carry-on, all 4 pieces wouldn't even fit inside. What I do like about them is that they retain their shape when they're packed full. The rectangular shape is really good for using them in suitcases because no space is lost in the corners. They also can be used in backpacks, but personally I like to use compression cubes there. For instance, the Eagle Creek compression cubes, which I've reviewed in another video, work much better there. In total, the Shacke Pak packing cube set weighs 19 ounces or roughly 500 grams. For packing cubes, that's actually quite heavy. But it's still nothing to get worried about. It's like adding an extra pair of sweets in your carry-on, which really doesn't make much difference anyway. Now, because these cubes are so affordable, I didn't expect any branded zippers on them, but it looks like they're using YKK zippers, which is essentially the toughest zipper brand out there. The zippers feel quite rigid and unzip fairly easily. I tried zipping and unzipping them several times, and the fabric doesn't seem to get stuck in the zipper, which is great. Also, they've attached these string extensions to the pulleys, so they're really easy to use. All 4 pieces also have additional handles on one of the sides. It looks like they're properly stitched to the main frame, and they don't look like coming loose anytime soon. From a practicality standpoint, they're not that useful in suitcases, but they're useful in backpacks when you're trying to get the cubes out from the bottom of the bag. Now let's check out how much stuff fits inside each packing cube. In the extra large packing cube, I was able to fit around 4 pairs of hoodies and another bulky jacket on top. By the way, the laundry bag is just about the same size of the extra large packing cube. In the large packing cube, I managed to squeeze in 3 pairs of shorts and 3 pairs of long trousers. In the medium cube, I was able to pack 12 men's t-shirts. And I found the smallest packing cube to be good for underwear and socks. I managed to fit inside 7 pairs of men's boxers, 7 pairs of socks, and a pair of swimming shorts. By the way, I didn't overpack anything. If you'd want, you could easily fit more inside. So yeah, as you can see, for one person, that's a lot of stuff that you can fit inside. For a regular 2-week vacation, the 3 smaller cubes are more than enough. In the same price range, you can also find similar packing cubes from other brands such as Amazon Basics, eBags, or from other Chinese manufacturers similar to Shacke Pak. For instance, in this shot, you can see how the Shacke Pak packing cubes compare to Amazon Basic cubes on the left and eBags cubes on the right. The fabric on the Shacke Pak packing cube seems to be the least flexible and feels more durable and puncture resistant. The eBags packing cubes also come with YKK zippers, and out of all three, the Amazon Basics cubes feel the least durable. But other than that, I wouldn't say that there are any major differences between all three. The only major difference is the price and popularity. Out of all three, the Shacke Pak is definitely the most popular option, and they also come with a laundry bag, which is really useful in my opinion. Supposedly, these packing cubes also come with a lifetime warranty, but personally, I wouldn't trust it too much. In order for the warranty to work, you have to register it on their website, which is essentially just a way for them to collect your email for a newsletter. The site is not secure, so I don't feel that comfortable entering my information there. I checked out the reviews on Amazon and I found a few people who said that they tried to contact their support and got no responses. So yeah, they do come with a lifetime warranty, but because they're a Chinese manufacturer, I wouldn't actually count on it working. All in all, I think that the Shacke Pak packing cubes are probably the best mid-range option. They're not the cheapest ones, but they definitely aren't expensive either. They seem to be very well made and also come with an additional laundry bag, which is why I think they're a great option. But truth be told, they're still very similar to the Amazon Basics and eBags versions, so it doesn't really matter which one you get. It's more a matter of preference. But if you do decide to get them, check out our full review on Clever Journey, which I've linked to in the description of this video. Also, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because on here we post travel gear reviews, travel tips, and packing hacks. Also, you can become a smarter traveler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.